When I grocery shop, I make sure to save as much as I can while buying my favorite items. So not only do I use my Markets app, Ross, for coupons, but I also go on this other app called Ibotta. Oh, and don't forget to watch my video about the Fetch app. Make sure to snap your receipt for that too. Anyway, I love that Ibotta often gives me 10 cents or more just for snapping a photo of my receipt, and even additional bucks for buying popular brand name items. If you just have generic items like ground beef, milk, or eggs, for example, sometimes you can find those in the any item category, where it doesn't matter what brand it is, and they will still give you money. I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but you'll be surprised by how much it can add up. We all buy necessities pretty frequently, and it doesn't have to be at the market either. You can shop at Nordstrom Rack, Rite Aid, Petco, and many other stores and get cash back. Once you accumulate up to $20, you'll be able to redeem your money earned via PayPal or direct deposit. It's that simple. From personal experience, I'm proud to say I've raked in $78.55 so far, and so I'm telling you it works. I thought you might like to save money with me too, so I made this video. Why not get paid cash back on the stuff you buy every day? Sign up by clicking on the link I've added in the description box below to get started. Please subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification bell so it'll motivate me to make more videos like these. Thanks for watching.